Hello, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the AC Hotel, downtown Bozeman, Montana. It's under the Marriott umbrella. It is one of their newer concept hotels, and it is supposed to be kind of a very minimalistic European style. It does have complimentary breakfast. This hotel's only been open about a year. And let's get you a room tour. So when you first walk in, mini fridge. It comes with complimentary waters. We've already added our own stuff. There's some storage. This is like one of the open closets, kind of more of a new concept here. But that is your closet right there. Do have a safe and a coffee maker and coffee supplies. You have a glass sliding door for the bathroom. Lots of room to set your luggage up. This room category is a king mountain view room. But the other options are views of downtown, and we are in the old part of downtown. It's super cute. So I would say it really doesn't matter what view you get. You're in Montana, you're going to have amazing views the whole time you're here. But there is your mountain view. Okay, well, thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. We are going to do a walkthrough of this property and link the videos together so you can look for that. And if we helped you with any of your travel planning, we'd love you to help us build our channel by subscribing. And thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments or questions.